guys, welcome back to another episode to the BeDistinct channel. Today's gonna be a little different. It's not gonna be too much cars. I'll show you a little bit of car content, but most of this is gonna be a different industry, housing market, because we finally were able to obtain our first set of keys, and hopefully the first of many. This is such a huge moment because my dad, my family, they've always, you know, it's kind of hard because they don't have, let's just say, citizenship is a problem here, right? So it has been the ultimate disaster. Like, we just could never ever obtain a house. It's just the way it was. There are programs now. I know this because now I'm a lot more educated than I was before, back when I was younger. But there are I-10 loans, and you could get I-10 loans, you know, for people with citizenship problems, but the interest rates are kind of through the roof, right? But now that I'm actually in the business, it was a lot easier for me to kind of make this happen, right? Along with all my coworkers and everything. So it was such a blessing, such a huge opportunity. And this is kind of where I'm gonna give a few couple shout outs, so stay with me. First off, I want to give a huge shout out to Mike's Mobile for actually firing me. Okay, I want to give them a huge shout out for firing me, because if they never fired me, I would have never gone into the loan industry, and I would have never been purchasing this house right now. So sometimes when you get fired, it's a blessing under disguise. So here I'm gonna give two shout outs. I'm gonna give two shout outs to Genzilla and two shout outs to R8_burnt rubber. I always say that wrong. Me and Genzilla went over to him to do a GTR ride along, and he actually talked to me and Genzilla about obtaining our licenses, obtaining all these things. Freak it, whatever, bro. I just got fired. I need a new change in my life. Freak it. So I got to studying. I got my loan officer license, and I'm so close to getting my real estate license. I literally just have to take the test, and that's it, right? So I'm so close to obtaining both my licenses, and literally, if it wasn't for him, I also wouldn't have gone in the business. So huge shout out to them for actually convincing me to get into this industry. That being said, I try to record my mom, because my mom's a very emotional person. I try to record her reaction, but it was kind of too hard for me. It's kind of embarrassing to put a camera in her face. So I put my phone in my pocket, and when I told them like, my mom asked me, hey, I saw that, you know, our realtor, my friend, he's like, I saw that he gave you some keys. I was like, yeah, because we got the house is done, right? So I kind of dropped it on her. So I put my phone in my pocket, and I kind of let her know. She's kind of flabbergasted. I also told my dad. He gives me a hug, and like it's a pretty special moment. I'm sure you guys. It's done. That's it. Here you go. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's done. And just so you know how kind of special it is today's the day after we officially got the keys to the house, and my mom's still asking me, yo, I'm looking on Zillow, like it's still pending, like what's going on, is it ours? I work in the business, Mom. I know what I'm talking about. The deal is done. It's yours, man. Stop asking me damn questions. I think it still hasn't hit her right now. She's like kind of like, whoa, do I really own this, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the house. Hey, all right, y'all, special moment. Welcome to MTV Cribs, bro. Welcome back to our first home. We already put the G in the middle. Check this out. Plenty of cement here. We could put at least 2-3 cars, bro, right here side. We're thinking maybe just knocking that grass, put more cement. We could put plenty of cars. It's gonna be the new Fast 5 garage right here. Wait till you see the garage. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So let me show you. Come on in. We actually did a address number delete, so you can't even see the number. Now that's not a challenge for you guys to try to find the house. I'm sure you guys could, but I'm just saying. So take in mind the house, we still gotta paint it. We gotta do a little bit of stuff to it, but you know, it's not bad. Already? Welcome in. Oh, fuck. Welcome in, brothers.
Snap.
Welcome in. Sheesh. It's got a natural skylight up there. Pretty nice. Let's start off with the backyard. Let me show you guys the backyard. It's pretty fire. There's plenty of room for kickbacks. We got a shed, bro.
Yeah, let's see what's up.
Probably can one this right here. Oh shit. Check it out, bro. We can store all the car parts in there, bro.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
That's a good size.
Right? So over here there's not much, just a tree we're trying to knock down. Right there.
Oh, this is a cherry tree,
yeah,
or something?
I don't know what this shit is. So this right here is a 4-2. It's a 4-bedroom The bedrooms are kind of small, but I mean, it is what it is. But I mean, shit. You know, it's not a bad, you know, first house, bro. This ain't gonna be the final house, the first one. Right? So all these orange walls, the whole house is gonna get painted inside because this is just not a go. We were also debating on freaking knocking down this whole wall to make it more open, but it just seems too much work for like a first house. Like, we're gonna put it up for rent. Let's just make it nice. Let's not fall in love with the house and just do some minor cosmetics and boom. On to the next one, right? Check out the bathroom, bro. Bathroom's kind of fire, though. Bathroom's kind of fire, bro. Go ahead. Show them in, bro. Kind of fire, dude. Kind of fire. Look at that shit. That shit's improved, renovated.
Dang, this is renovated.
Yeah, not bad.
You want to display how to use the toilet?
Yes. Yeah, but look at this shit. Look at the water comes from on top.
Ooh,
What the fuck is that? And yeah, this is water, guys.
Yeah, it's renovated, bro.
Yeah. Here's room number 1. Check it out. It needs some work. It needs some work, but all this shit's gonna get patched. It's gonna get painted, and it's gonna look fire at the end. Oh shit, I'm gonna funk up.
Right now, right?
The guy who's gonna paint the house, he's actually here. Watch this. This is just another room too.
And they got the fan going.
Yeah,
so it's nice
the
and cold.
fan too. You actually can't turn that off. Like we actually need to fix that.
Is that the funny part?
Nah.
Oh.
This is the funny part. Right? Funny part. All right, stay there. All right, bro. All right here. Come on in. You're my guest. Walk into the bathroom.
I'm scared now, bro.
Okay. Walk in, right? Normal, right? Is your room right here? Standard space, right?
That's nice.
Okay, now open the left side right here. Open the left side.
Bro, is something gonna jump out?
No, bro, just open the left side. Ooh.
Oh.
Right, okay, regular
Wait,
storage.
what?
Now open this.
Wait, hold on.
Open this, yo. Hey, no, what the fuck?
Where did this come from, bro? Yo, that's a scam right there.
What the hell, bro? There's a wall behind this closet door.
I play soccer?
Yeah.
I see it. Come on. Oh, God. hey. Let's see if this fool got some food. Dang, bro. Where the snacks at? Spent all his money on the house. He couldn't even buy food. Oh no. What is this? Oh, this fool. Hey, bro. That's dirty, bro. You gotta.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah. Sanitize it, bro.
Okay.
Oh, bro, you touched it again, bro. You need some more, bro. Here. You need some more, bro.
Okay.
Had to cut off for a bit. But here's the kitchen. Nothing special. My mom wanted to repaint these. I don't know yet. But freaking another shout out to my Rotor. He freaking got an extra fridge now.
Nice.
I mean, we gotta clean it and whatnot, but I mean, we already have one, but shit. Oh shit, they left some shit.
Eat one, bro. Eat it.
It's fucking closed? Yeah. Look, this is the garage. This is gonna be the new house to the G, bro. Check this out.
Oh, we got more part storage right here?
Yeah, this is for the washer and dryer.
Oh, okay, nice.
But yeah, check it out. Another little lighting. You think if I put the freaking hexagon lighting, it'll fit in here?
Honestly, like if you have it like going across, yeah, like just have one hexagon like right here and one right there. Yeah, it's good.
Let's try out the garage. I've never actually opened it. So.
Let's watch it be hella loud.
The one I live in right now, that one's loud. What's this?
Businessman.
Oh no. Okay. Hopefully it's not too loud.
Oh, it's not bad. That's pretty quiet.
Oh shit, that's quiet. Hey, that's fire. That is fire. That shit is dumb quiet. What the hell? That shit is dumb quiet. Hell yeah, dude. That's freaking sick. That's fire.
There it is.
Well, there it is, guys. Our first home. And yeah, you'll see all the new videos will be here now, so. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Oh my god, bro, you almost smacked your car, bro. You hit the gas.
I can't hear it.
Bro. Yeah, because you're perfect. Dude, this is more than enough space.
I gotta get used to this.
No, this is more. Look at how much space you have in the front, bro. You have hella space.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know. Oh, man. Don't hit your mirrors. Sheesh.
Hey, my mirror?
Huh?
Me hit my mirror.
Damn! Big ass flex, Bucker. Okay. Oh, you got hella room. Oh, let's go. Sheesh. Okay. Alright, guys, we're about to go to the gas station. Check that freaking fuel level. Woo! I'm gonna watch this. This is gonna be like the most GTA shit ever. Let me go for Alright guys, welcome back to our daily visit to the gas station. We are at 3.8. Goddamn, what's all this noise, man? Sheesh, we wildin' out here. This is a bike club. Just fire. 0 to 60, 0 to 60. That should look fire.